This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by mona.ghobrial. Charming single-story home in quiet cul-de-sac with open floor plan and close to military bases, interstate and shopping. This adorable home has luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, a beautiful kitchen with breakfast bar, granite tops and stainless steel appliances. Take refuge in primary bathroom which was just completed in 2022 with custom tile work. Enjoy the 1/4 acre fenced yard for entertainment or sit back and relax on the patio with custom privacy fence. Tons of storage and beautifully landscaped. For more information, review the details below.